Hi, I'm Roslyn. I'm a fashion content creator, and to me, hair is an essential part of my look. This is my hair without extensions, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Halo hair extension. It's really easy. So why I partnered with Luxy? Because it's beginner friendly and it's high quality Remy Human Hair. And basically, it's also not going to damage your hair like permanent hair extensions will in the salon. And you can just see the quality in the hair. It's so silky, natural. It just feels like your own hair. Let's talk hair type. And why is that important? Because a Halo hair extension is recommended for medium hair type. How do you determine your hair type? Well, you pull back your hair and you look at your scalp. Do you see any visible scalp showing? Then you have thin hair type, and the Halo isn't recommended for that. I don't have as much scalp showing, so I have medium hair type, and so I can use the Halo hair extension for medium. The key to a seamless blend is a great color match, and Luxy Hair has made that very easy. You go to the Luxy Hair website, and you can do the virtual try-on. You upload a photo from your phone, and in a couple of minutes, you're going to get a recommendation for your color match. My recommendation was beige blonde, and it is perfection. If you're still unsure after that, you can DM the Luxy team on their Instagram handle, and they'll get back to you with their recommendation. Halo hair extensions come in 3 different lengths: 12-inch, 16-inch, and 20-inch. To determine what the length will look like on you, you measure from the top of your ear down. So the 12-inch would be here. The 12-inch is more for fullness. The 16-inch is when I'm feeling sassy and I want length and fullness. And the 20-inch is if you really want super length. So why I picked the Halo hair extension is because it's beginner friendly, it's one and done, and it's great for everyday wear and adding fullness. The fabric stitch band is super comfortable, as is the invisible band, and then the clips don't damage your hair. The Halo hair extension comes with an invisible adjustable band, and it can adjust to any head size. And basically, you think of this as a headband. It sits on the crown of your head, and at the back of the weft actually sits flush against your scalp. That way you know you have a perfect fit. Prior to installing your Halo hair extension, I'm going to show you how to section off your hair. You start by leaving the front sections of your hair out because you want a perfect blend, and you want a really clean semicircle around your head. And so I use a comb, and basically at the top of your ears, create the semicircle and create a little mini bun and clip it. So we're ready to install our Halo hair extension. Make sure the clips are open. The Halo hair extension adds fullness from mid-length to ends. So think of the invisible band as a headband. It sits at the top of your crown. Secure the clips. Remove the clip and start to blend. Blend, one and done. So your Luxy Halo hair extension comes with these 2 additional pieces. Why these 2 additional pieces of hair? Well, they help with blending and they add volume to the front section of your hair. I personally don't need to wear them, but I'm going to show you how to install them. You just section back a piece of your hair. Pro tip, you can actually have this rest on the band so it stays put. Clip it in and start to blend. See what a difference it makes compared to the section that doesn't have the clip? It just gives you that extra volume and blend that you wouldn't have normally. The great thing about the Luxy hair extensions, that they're 100% Remy high quality human hair, is you can style them with heat implements. I like to style them while they're on my head, and I basically wave my hair extension with my natural hair. But alternatively, you can use the Luxy Deluxe Styler and basically style them off your hair and then install the hair extension. It's your choice. How does it feel on your head? Well, it's super lightweight. That's what I love most about it. It's super secure. I can run my fingers. It has the silicone on the clip, so that gives you extra security. It won't fall off your head. You can dance all night. You can shake. And like, really, it's amazing. It feels like it's part of my natural hair. It doesn't feel like an extension at all. On days when you're running late, say hello to Halo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.